Hey there everybody, it's Chloe in real life and welcome back to another episode of Tuesday Tidbits. Today we are in Kyoto, Japan, and I wanted to take you through a little tour of the process of going through the subway because it was very different from anything I've really experienced before because back where I live in LA, you don't really use public transportation that much, but it is so huge in Japan, I thought I might as well give you a little sneak peek into it. So, something I didn't really realize is how far you have to go underground. Like, there's so many stairs. It is pretty crazy. It's like you gotta go down some stairs, go up some stairs. It's just a lot of stairs. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you've made it down all the stairs is maybe take a breather, but then you're going to get your ticket. And so it's going to show you how far you need to go and how much your ticket would be on the sign there. So you're going to go up to the stand, you're going to put your money in, and then select the money that is in correlation to the distance that you need to go. So I was going to the one that is 210 yen, so about like $1.80 to $2. And then you're going to put your ticket in, and I was filming so I couldn't really see where my ticket was, but you're going to want to hold on to that because you're going to need it once you get off the train. And another thing about Japan that can be very different from LA with trains is the trains are on time. If your train is at 1:29 p.m., it will be there at 1:29 p.m. So you need to be on time with your trains. Now, with more popular lines, there are more trains coming and going, but for the ones that have not as many trains, you gotta make it on time. And so not a lot of people talk when you're on the subway. In Japan, it can be seen as very rude to talk while you're on the subway. You can't eat while you're on the subway. Can't really do a lot of things when you're on the subway. So your best bet is just sitting and your phone. That's what most people do, and that's what I'm doing, as you can see here. So once you've made it to your destination, you're going to obviously walk off the train, and then you are going to take your ticket. There the train goes. There the train. And you're going to take your ticket and put it back, or put it in the little slot to say, I went from this destination to this destination, showing that you paid the right amount and transaction was complete. You can think of your ticket as like a receipt, and then at the end, you're just turning it in saying, hey, I was on the train and I made it to my destination. So that was a little bit of how the subways work in Japan. It's really fun. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!